Hello everybody and welcome to part 19 of the Fiesta build. In today's episode, as you can see, we're fitting the engine and gearbox into the car. We've had it in a couple times already to make engine mounts and whatnot, gearbox mount as well. But this is the time where it can go in and stay in now. So a good step forward with the build and whatnot. This is a few weeks behind where we're at now as I'm recording this, but nonetheless it's still content for you guys to see. So we're just lowering it in. We have to be really careful of not hitting the windshield or the windscreen, because obviously with the engine, if it knocks into it, or with the engine crane knocks into it, it could just crack it and then we'll have to get another screen. So we was obviously being careful of that, minding that, but it's not too bad to get this in, to be fair. Obviously you can see from just the length of the video that it's not that long. Now this is sped up slightly, but it still gives you an insight. Usually in some cars it could take 30 minutes to get the engine in properly, but with this, because it's quite an open engine bay, it's relatively easy to get the engine in, and before it's all built up, all the intake, exhaust manifold and whatnot. So yeah, as you can see, I'll just let you watch it as we get it in, and then get back to you once we are mounting the prop and whatnot.
Right, now, whatever you do, do not let that go back towards the car. Now, quite down, but get the trolley jack under, don't move it. Yep. Right. That's that. Bring him in. It will do. Nanny, what we've got to do is we've got to undo that hook. Right, so we do it, that's the center. Right. We should be able to let that down because it's on the something. That's it. Right. Hold it there. Right, grab me a 10mm on the gun. Yep. What was thinking it was a down time, I was coming up. What we need. Take it up slowly, just in case it bumps things. Go off, I'm going to try that. Look, when I get that distance, it's still going to try. Yeah, get that engine up fast. Well, if it comes to the worst, I'll whip it off, so we'll hold that there, so we can whip that off to 70. Yeah, I've got that. I've got this one. What I have to do is check. I think we might as well, yeah. Just try and get it once we get it past another back in, yeah. That should give us a bit more open margin. Now it's going to be very tailing heavy. Right, now then, I'm going to... But I've got a lot of room now. Yeah, remember the jack? Yeah, now I've got to try and skip that jack. Right, well, we've got plenty of room, so tell me what. Right, going in? Yeah, just please, watch that. I've got, yeah. Yeah, I'm just checking. Well, I've got about 5 inches of clearance. At the moment, right, you need to go back on the... Yeah, we are hitting... We only need about another 2.5 inches to go back anyway. Now then, I think we might get away with... That like that. Resting on the engine. I'll feed him. Oh, I'll see it. That's a shame, look at that. If it was like that, it'd be perfect. It would, but we need it back about another 2 inches. Right. So what I've got to do... See it. What? You move on. That's loading up the bulkhead of the tunnel, is it? Right, so it needs to go down in. Yeah. Right. And as it obviously gets bigger as we try to go into it's going a bit more. So, right, we're nearly there. Right, okay. Get down a little bit. Go on. Oh, hold it. Almost got it. Right, down a bit more. Keep going. Oh, hold it there. That's that one, Fred. Right, no, I'll try to get the other one on. Yeah. Back that box wants to come down. What I would say, what the idea is get this bolt in. Yeah. Which one gets a bit on the front. Yeah. Okay. Now we can see how much that's out. Take that bolt out a sec. Right. Right, yeah, this is the amount we've got to modify. Okay. This will make a difference. Ain't going to be a big job. Right, take it up a little bit more. Right, hold there. Right, just lay it down. It's about where it's yeah. Right. God, look at that. It's tight, but it's alright. Tight. Okay, let's start with. Now, back of the engine has got to come down a bit. Yeah, see how much we've got the engine that way. I don't know why that's on fire now. No, it's not a problem. Right. We'll just, yeah, it's fine. We're going to have to cut it off. Yeah, just we'll have to cut both ends off though. Oh, that's okay. That's the way we're cutting that end off. Just rotate it down. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, right. Let's unhook it. Let it down further. Yeah.
Right, so that's all mounted in, and now we're moving on to the prop. So this is again from our gearbox specialist, so Elite Transmissions. They made the prop for us as well. So we're just bolting the end pieces on now. This was much lighter than I expected it to be honest. It probably weighed 3 kilos, 4 kilos, which probably does sound about right to most of you people, but for me, I thought or always assumed that the prop was going to be very heavy, but fortunately it isn't. So we're just getting into place now, and then lining it up because it only goes in one way, I'm pretty sure, onto the axle gears. But yeah, we're then bolting it up, and we are leaving it on now, so that can be bolted up properly. So you see we're just getting all the bolts through now, and then we'll put the nuts on and do it up. This is sped up because it does take, well, it did take some time to get the nut through the thread, but yeah, I'll leave you with you and then get back in a minute. So this is pretty much it for today's video. There will be a video come on screen now, just of what it's looking like underneath. But yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed it, then please drop a like and subscribe.